I want to do something really soft. No, I'm not gonna do something soft. Believe it or not, this is the first time ever using my brush styler from Revlon, and obsessed. So look at this. Sorry guys. Literally try my best to save my nails till the end of this year, and I literally wanted to take off my nails in a couple of days and then put the special treatment for my nails, like sorta polish, sorta medicine polish, if it makes any sense. But it turned out that no, it's not gonna work for me. I have to take off this nails today. I want to do something really soft. No, I'm not gonna do something soft. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome, loves, to my YouTube channel. But soft is probably not my, no, it's not in my nature. I'm using, by the way, NYX primer. I'm gonna use 2 eyeshadow palettes for today's makeup look, probably 1, but I have really pretty color in mind, and it's in this palette. I will start with some neutral shades to set my lid. It's going to be the Spud color. Let me know in the comments, how was your 2023? I had some idea of what I wanted to achieve throughout this year, but unfortunately it didn't happen for me. It didn't happen for me for some reason. Some things, they literally fell apart, and some things were great. And yeah, my cousin, she got married, but it's probably like more on her side that she is happily married right now. It's not about me, but I'm really happy for her. As well, we did something else with my husband, and I'm gonna share this probably later when it's just complete and it's just not a secret anymore. And don't worry guys, I'd say only 2 people or maybe 3 people out of my family know the whole thing, and not even my close friends know what's going on right now. It's just something that I want to keep private for some period of time, because when I told some people about something that was coming for us, it didn't happen. It fell apart. That's why right now I'm keeping this really private. I don't really want to talk about that. When it's done, and I'm going to share what happened for me in this year. I'm gonna be going to this Ibiza shade, Ibiza color, and I'll place it all over my lid. It's really pretty color, and I'm using the crease brush. I'm gonna tap off from any fallouts and stamp this really close to my lash line, but I don't really want to bring this too high. Okay, so my eyeshadows are in place, more or less, and now I can go to a little bit different color. It's mostly we're doing my smoky makeup look, and if you're interested, I have at least 2 videos on my channel devoted to this topic. I will go to a little bit different shade, and I want to mix it in my color. It's going to be, I'm thinking between Cottage and Tinkerbell. Okay, let's do Cottage. It's a really beautiful green, but I'm not a huge fan of green color. But I wanted to do something devoted to Christmas, because it's 25th of December. I'm filming this on 25th of December, and it's like Christmas around the world. And I'm stamping this lightly, kind of dabbing this color into the previous shade. I was thinking about doing a podcast, and it's going to be on my channel and probably some other platforms, but I'm not really sure. Probably I'm going to focus this at first on my YouTube channel, but I'm thinking maybe it's going to be somewhere else, and you're going to be the first ones to know. But I guess enough of this topic, because you're pretty much tired of this, I assume, that I'm like shoving this into your face every single video. Other plans, I want to be a little bit more consistent this year, 2024. I am consistent right now. I guess you've noticed this, that every single week we have at least 5 shorts. 4 of them are related to makeup. One of them of this video is related to fashion haul, sort of like fashion haul. Let me mix in a little bit of mix of these 2 shades. Recently I've discovered that a combination of blue and green looks super pretty. I have no idea why it works, but it does really work in makeup. I, let's say, discovered this passion to fashion, but I'm into fashion right now a lot. I love when I can mix some different outfits, when I can mix styles, and I was like, well, if I really like it, then probably some of my subscribers might find this really interesting and they might like my style. That's why they will, I'm covering my finger so you can see this. Maybe they're gonna be amazed with this new idea and they're gonna love it. And guess what, guys? Let's mix. Okay, let's do something really soft and maybe a little bit of this Leo. Is it Leo? No, it's summer. A little bit of summer as well. But I don't really want to do much. I'm just adding a little bit of the color, just almost no shade, and I will diffuse the previous colors. So basically, I discovered this new passion to fashion. I'm going with the same brush that I used at the beginning, and I'm just stamping this all over my lid with some leftovers. And then I'll go over with the same colors that I used to create this smoky eye. I'm super grateful for you guys as my old subscribers, not old subscribers, but my subscribers that have been with me for a long period of time up until now, and for subscribers that joined us this year. I love an idea that we're building some sort of community here. I have my Essence pigment. I forgot about this Essence pigment, and it's been a while since I used this one. That's why I'm gonna go in with my finger, and then I'll place it all over my lid. And probably I'll add a little bit more of silver in the inner corner. As well, I'd say that we have lots of things in mind as for future year, but of course, not always something is gonna work out for us as we planned. And it happened with me, so let me use a little bit of silver lining, and I'll add this in the inner corner with a wet brush. I'm going for a little bit different shade. This one is Storm from my eyeshadow palette. It's Rainbow Splash palette from OPV Beauty. I have no idea if they have lots of products, makeup products, but I purchased this eyeshadow palette quite a long period of time. Fortunately, it doesn't have lots of eyeshadows that I use like daily or every single time, but I can use it from time to time, and it's not bad. With a blue pencil, I'll place it over my waterline. Finally, I'm going with this beautiful shade, Storm, over my lower lid. And of course, right before Christmas, right before New Year, I got a cold. It's not a nasty one, you know, just like there are certain things where you say, oh my God, I'm literally like suffocating because I can't breathe. I feel like I'm in a good shape, a little bit runny nose, and that's pretty much it. A little bit runny nose and a little bit sore throat. It's just it. Okay, we're done with placing these eyeshadows. That's why I'm pretty much grateful for this year, because overall it was just a peaceful year as rabbit goes. The next year is going to be crazy. It's just my personal opinion, because it's going to be dragon year. I feel like it's going to be a tough year, not only because of a dragon, but because it's going to be like a leap year, because we do remember a leap year was 2020 and no one wants to go back to 2020. And I'll go with this red shade because like we're going to match the bottom. I'm going to outline my lips with this brown pencil. And you know what? Let's use a little bit of balm on top because it's going to be much smoother. I tried so many times to rush things, and it never worked out for me in a positive way. It always had a backlash. Now I'm patient and I'm waiting. Now I'm using this Givenchy lip gloss. Sort of, you know the story, if you know the story. I got scammed with this, but still ended up with a great product. I feel like I'm grateful for this year. I've discovered so much about myself through this year that I can actually be sporty, and Pilates is great for you no matter how. It just gives this discipline that you need. Then I've discovered that I have talent to fashion, not like talent, but I really love styling, and I feel like it's not really bad. I have some pieces that I'm really proud of. I found out that we've done something else with my husband, and then I feel it's great. It's great that we can thank this year and welcome a new one. And hopefully, guys, I'm going to see you next year. We're going to be talking a lot. We're going to be doing lots of things, and it's going to be a lot of new content, hopefully. I'm going to see you next year. Bye-bye.